Alrighty guys, this is the other elevator here.
The Metro parking garage.
Yep. And this thing is beat up. Oh wait, hold on.
Oh, it's out of service.
Between
6 p.m.
and 6:30 a.m.
Let's try it tomorrow.
Yeah. Look at this beat up Cobra though. It's really bad. This is a motor room, I guess. That's gonna be it for me. Alrighty guys, this is the elevator here at a parking garage.
Bus station.
No, I don't think so. And this time it's working. Well, look at that busted call station now. They did a full mod in this one too. Small little camp here. What's over here? Alright, we're on a 7. Montgomery. Formerly a Dover. Hopefully modded by Montgomery and then got ThyssenKrupp mod. Here at ground. That's probably the motor room. And I guess that is gonna be it for me.